Hey guys, what's going on? I know, no facial hair, kind of looks different. So we got a good fade going on though. So in this video we're going to talk about the collapsible 3D printed katana that I made and how it already broke. So pretty much it's just a collapsible shaft system where everything is narrowed as it gets further down the shaft. And as you can see, mine's in several pieces, and that's from opening it too fast. Here's why. The layers separate very easily. It's one layer. It's not like it's super thick. They're very thin layers. So unfortunately, that makes these parts super brittle, except for in the parts like this one where it tapers up and gets thicker. This is actually a little stronger, but still it broke really easy. And the same thing here. This even breaks. It's not because of bad PLA, it's not because of bad settings, it's just the fact that it's super thin-walled material. These are more of prop items, novelty kit items, things just for fun. So I'll leave a link in the description to this, because I still believe they're a really cool build. They're really neat. Everyone loves these kind of toys. They're fun to build. They have katanas, Star Wars, lightsabers, all kinds of stuff. Same concept, but if you go to Walmart and buy one of the lightsabers that extends. I'm also making a dagger right now. I've got a medieval broadsword. So there's several different ones that we're going to be making. But if you're worried about durability, they're not very durable. You could print them in different material that is a little bit stronger. But for PLA, expect this result. Well, if I can break it again, I can break those all day long. So yeah, kind of disappointing. I'm going to work on the settings, see if I can get a little bit stronger with PLA. And this isn't the best PLA. This is just some Amazon light blue PLA that I have. Got one printing in dagger printing in the same color, and I've got a orange katana like this printing. So once those are made, I'll go ahead and post a video. Link to all the files and products I use below. Thanks for watching.